From Bang Bang in Hello to Tees Marka's Kawali Walla Walla, Salman Khan has done quite a few item songs in Bollywood films. And now the Dabangg Khan is back with yet another item number in Ishq in Paris. Let's find out from Mumbaikars what they feel about Salman Khan as an item boy.
If you consider Dabangg 1 and Dabangg 2, he's done a few songs which are item. So he's more of the fun, jovial type who can just be a supporting person to the actual item girl. If it's an item song, there has to be an item girl, not an item boy. So I don't really see him either as an item boy.
Anyway, Salman Khan is a stud. So, you believe first time he is coming with item song and he become item boy. So, he's doing nice. He's doing well.
Of course, who doesn't like him? Like, he is the man, and whatever you say, whatever he does, it always works.
Salman Khan is not the item boy kinds, but yeah, if he's doing something, I'm sure he looks fine on the screen.
I personally don't like it too much, but he's good at what he does. And whatever he does, people like him for it. Like, whatever movies he comes up with and new things that he tries, people like it.
We have seen him before in Dabangg, so I think we can expect a lot from him. We have seen him before, so it would be good to see him back.
Salman is Salman. He looks good in anything.
Being an actor, especially doing movies like Ready and all, item song or something. I love the way he dances, it's so different. Comedy.
It's not that much cool.
I don't think Salman will look good in that. I mean, he's that Dabangg kind of, he has the personality like that. And in item song, I don't think he'll fit in a lot. That too with Preeti Zinta. She's been off the screen for a long time. So it may be a good punch for a public. He's doing an item song with Preeti Zinta, but not that much excited or something.
I like him when he's doing in action and everything. As an item boy, not that much.
It will be super anyway because it's Salman Khan. So. Fan following Salman Khan, it's like super duper.
Salman's always a nautanki. I think he can pull it off very well. So yeah, excited to see both of them.
He is a good actor, comic actor also. Obviously a action hero, but an item song is not expecting too much from him.
आइटम सॉन्ग में देख के उसकी पर्सनैलिटी थोड़ी कम हो जाती है. अगर एक बादशाह तरीके अपने से देखते हैं बॉलीवुड में तो आइटम सॉन्ग नहीं करना चाहिए मेरे हिसाब से.
उसकी एक अलग पर्सनालिटी है, वो आइटम सॉन्ग करता है, उसका डांस फाड़ू ऑसम.
Well, Salman Khan fans have really given thumbs up to Salman Khan's image of item boy, but few ones have really made thumbs down to Salman Khan as an item boy. But what do you think? Post in your comments below on youtube.com/BollywoodNow and facebook.com/BollywoodNow videos. In Mumbai with cameraman Kamaldeep Singh, this is Rohit Bhatnagar for Bollywood Now. And please do not forget to subscribe to Bollywood Now.
Hi, this is Tushar Kapoor. Subscribe to Bollywood Now.